So I must admit, I am liking this app so far.
Y'all really got me doing this again. What's up, divas and divos? It's your girl, Nikki, the Deal Finding Diva. Welcome back to my channel where I show you how to either make money or save money. And today we're going to get back on these free gift cards. Here's the deal. In case you're new to my channel, because I know there's a lot of you that are new out there. And if you're not yet a diva or divo, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. But in case you don't know, I did a previous video where I tested free gift card apps that my subscribers asked me to test. So since that video, I've had so many people reach out to me and ask me to test the free gift card apps that they know about. So I'm testing you divas and divos' knowledge of how to get free gift cards, because I'm not the only person in the world that knows how to get free gift cards. I know that. So I'm gonna test you guys out, and we're gonna try out some of these free gift card apps that my subscribers have told me about. But again, before we move on, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button so you can let the algorithm know that you like these types of videos. And also don't forget to subscribe, turn on those notifications, and we are going to get into testing these free gift card apps right after this. Divas and divos, like I said, there were so many people that reached out asking me to test free gift card apps that they know about. So I'm not able to test every single thing that people have suggested. So I'm limiting what I can do at the very moment, because we don't want this video to be like 2 hours long, okay? In case you're not familiar with how this works, I am going to test out the free gift card apps that a subscriber told me about. And if I like it, then I will let you guys know who suggested it, okay? And if it turns out to be a dud, I'm not embarrassing anybody. I just won't say who suggested it, okay? Yeah. Let's go into my phone and let's check out the first one, and it's called SurveyMonkey Rewards. And a couple people told me about this, so let's go into my phone and let's talk a little bit more about this.
All right, now let's see what's popping with SurveyMonkey Rewards. So as you can see, you need $5 to cash out for a reward. So let's see what we need to do in order to get a reward. So I just answered some regular questions, just some demographic information, and mind your business. You don't need to know what year I was born in. So I just answered some demographic information, and look, it was just a couple minutes and I literally earned $1 in credits. That's really cool. So I only need $4 more to cash out, but look, oh my gosh, no more surveys available. So this app wants you to turn on your notifications so you can be notified, kind of like when I drop a new video, you know what I mean? That's me telling you to subscribe and turn on your notifications. But they want you to turn on your notifications so you can find out when they have new surveys in there so you don't miss out. But as you can see, once you reach that $5, you have a choice between an Amazon gift card or you can donate it. So if you earn $5, they will actually match it 100%. So they will match that $5 and they'll donate $10. Y'all know I love my Amazon gift cards, so that's what I'm going to choose when I'm ready to cash out. But yeah, no surveys available, but let's talk about it.
I really like that app. I just wish there were more surveys available, but you know what? That one is a good one. So I want to give a shout out to FreebieGirl33 and Ariana Gomez. Both of you recommended that app to me, so I appreciate you for that. I'm definitely going to keep that one in my phone. So the next one I want to talk about is called Surveys on the Go. Yes, a couple of subscribers also recommended that to me. So let's go into my phone and let's check out Surveys on the Go.
So let's check out Surveys on the Go. Yes, you will do surveys and you can actually earn cash. Yes, cash money, dollar bills, y'all. So I just answered some demographic information to get my account started. And as you can see, there were some 50-cent surveys that were available right off the gate. So I just went through and did those, and it really didn't even take me long. But with the survey questions, they were kind of in my business, asking all about my phone accounts and stuff like that. So I just went through and answered those questions. And yeah, I did 2 surveys, and look, $1 already, and it was less than 5 minutes. And as you can see, you can actually cash out for an Amazon gift card, Visa gift card, Starbucks gift card, or PayPal that is cash. So let's talk a little bit more about this.
I really do like that app because I like when you don't have to spend too much time on the surveys. So I really like it for that purpose. So if you have little spurts of time here and there, you can go in and do those surveys. So I do want to give another shout out to Freebie Girl 33 and Ariana Gomez. You guys definitely rocked out with both of those apps that you recommended to me, okay? So I appreciate you for that. The next app that I want to talk about that a subscriber recommended is called FeaturePoints. I checked this one out, and let's go into my phone and I'm going to explain a little bit more.
So let's go in and check out FeaturePoints. Y'all really do love those survey apps, don't you? But yeah, this is another survey app, and I just went in here and answered some surveys. They were really easy surveys, some demographic information to start. But as you can see, I had to start with 24 questions. I got 24 questions. It's all about us. Okay, anyway, so yeah, let's get to the gift cards. As you can see, there are plenty of gift card options, and there's some cash options, including PayPal and Visa gift card, and even Bitcoin. So yeah, this is a cool option, and you can cash out for as little as $2 for only 1,200 points. That's really good as well. And you can earn bonus points by playing little games. So I must admit, I am liking this app so far. And you can refer friends and family and get even more points.
So now that you got to see FeaturePoints for yourself, I'm going to let you know, I think FeaturePoints is A-okay, because what I like about it is you don't need so many points in order to cash out. Like 1,200 points is quite reasonable. And if you like to do surveys, that's a great one. So this girl is on a roll. Freebie Girl 33, thank you for recommending that. So I appreciate you. Keep them coming, divas and divos. And let me let you know right now, if you do know about a gift card app that you want me to try, make sure you drop that down below, or you can send me a DM on Instagram or anything, okay? And my Instagram is @DealFindingDiva, okay? And while we're talking about my other platforms, make sure you visit my website, dealfindingdiva.com. I actually have way more options for free gift cards on that website, and I have a whole playlist here on YouTube. There are many ways to get free gift cards, and I know a lot of people comment on that, and they ask me, oh, do you know more ways? Yes, there are plenty. Check out my playlist, my website, all that stuff, all right? Moving on to the next one, I want to talk about one called CashCamel. CashCamel will reward you for doing surveys. So again, let's go into my phone and let's talk a little bit more about CashCamel.
So what's up, CashCamel? Show me what you're working with. All right, so let's go into CashCamel. And as you can see, they want you to turn on notifications so that they can let you know when there's new surveys. And to start, there's a 20-cent survey. So I answered some basic questions to get my account started, and they were really easy questions. And I got 20 cents off the gate for answering those easy questions. And I went through and answered several more questions, and let's see what happens with that. Okay, I earned another 20 cents, and I'm telling you, I sped it up. That actually was pretty long of a survey, and as you can see, they have surveys like 10 minutes, and you only get 20 cents. Let's talk about it, y'all.
Okay, so the thing with CashCamel is I'm not really feeling it. I guess it depends on what your preference is, but for me, I wasn't feeling it because it was only 20 cents. So while I do appreciate the subscriber that let me know about CashCamel, I personally won't be using it, but in case anybody else out there wants to use it, I'm gonna link it down below, as well as all the other apps that I'm talking about. They're all gonna be linked below so that you can check them out for yourself, because even though I may not like something, you may like it. So I'm going to give you that option. I'm going to link them all down below, okay? But moving on to the next one. This one is on Android. It is called Mistplay. So I actually have an Android device that I never use. I never keep it charged. But for the purpose of this video, I charged it up just so I could try Mistplay. So let's go in here and let's check out Mistplay.
So, yep, I done blew the dust off of my Android device to do this for you all. Listen, stop judging me, okay? All right, so yeah, I'm going in here and I am putting in my demographic information to start, and they want you to turn on all kinds of preferences and notifications and everything. So I did all that, and what they want you to do is they want you to play games in order to earn free gift cards. So if you're somebody that likes to play games, even though, you know, a lot of people just like to play games in life, okay? But yes, if you like to play games, this is for you. There's a welcome bonus of 200 points, and there are many gift card options in here. And what I really like is it only takes 400 points to cash out for the first time. And I've never seen an app that will let you cash out for 50 cents. Like, oh my goodness, you see that? I just went in and I played a game, and I actually really like this game. It actually reminds me of, what was it? Candy Crush that I used to play back in the day. So yes, as you can see, again, I'm just going through and just letting you see a little bit more of the gift cards that you can get for using Mistplay. I really do like these options. So if you like any of these gift cards, I see Apple in there, Nintendo. I mean, a lot of options. So this might be good for you.
All right, so Mistplay was cool. I really like that one. I'm going to link it down below in case you like Mistplay as well. So I want to give a shout out to Jessica Nana for putting me on to Mistplay. So let me say, I appreciate everybody that hit me up and let me know about free gift card apps that they wanted me to try. And this most likely won't be the end of it. So if you know of any more free gift card apps, I primarily use Apple, so I would appreciate you guys if you let me know about Apple gift card apps. But, you know, here and there, you know, I could test an Android one because I do have my little Android device that I never use, but, you know, it's kind of old. So depending on the app, I may not be able to use it. But anyway, yeah, I appreciate you all letting me know if you have any more free gift card apps that you want me to try. It was really fun doing this video. I really like testing out the knowledge of the divas and the divos out there. So again, I appreciate you all for showing me love and the positive comments that you have been sharing with me. With that said, I'm about to peace out on this video, but I want to remind you, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you like free gift cards, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications to be notified when I drop a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my other platforms. I am on TikTok, I am on Instagram, Facebook, I'm everywhere, y'all. I'm even on Patreon. So make sure you follow me on all my platforms. All those links are down below, and I will see you all in the next video.